Name is Eric Snyder, owner, CEO, EAS Photography, professional lifestyle fashion photographer. Started shooting back in '96 when I was in the Navy. Traveled all around Europe, started taking some pictures of all the architecture in Rome, Paris. Showed some people and they said, looks like postcards, and wanted to know where I got those postcards from. And I told them I did it myself. And that's where pretty much I got the little bulb and clicked in my head and said, I need to be doing this for the rest of my life because I enjoy doing it.
Traveling somewhere, could be anywhere.
10 years ago is when I started working with people, and then within the last 5 years, fashion. Working with models, some of the top models in the United States and New England.
Life goes on, we drift deeper into the sound.
Just like that, hold it. Beautiful.
Eric is a lot of fun to work with. He really takes the time to make sure that everything is perfect. No matter what, at the end of the day, you're going to be really pleased with the images that he shows you.
My biggest struggle as a photographer is being in such a competitive field that I'm always struggling to try to do better than the next person. If I don't do it now, someone else is going to do it. Time is very important, particularly in photography.
Eric's great. I mean, he makes you feel comfortable up there. He encourages you. He knows what angles to work. And his lighting techniques are beautiful. I mean, no matter what's going on, he really is able to capture the true you.
Life goes on, we drift deeper, drift deeper. We drift deeper into the sound. Life goes on, we drift deeper into the sound. Feeling strong, so bring it on. Drift deeper into the sound. Life goes on. We drift deeper.